Hopewell furnace shows an early American industrial landscape and the essential role of industrialization in the growth of the early United States. Operating from 1771 through 1883, Hopewell and other iron plantations laid the foundation for the transformation of the United States into an industrial giant. The primary story emphasis of Hopewell is the first half of the 19th century, the era of its greatest prosperity. The decline of Hopewell, which ended with the final blast in 1883, began in 1844. The end of stove casting of the furnace. The end of the charcoal furnace at Hopewell and other charcoal furnace sites was postponed by the Civil War and the growth of railroads that created a greater demand for iron. The era of the charcoal iron plantation depends upon a combination of agriculture and industry. The voracious consumption of fuel, an acre of hardwood trees a day to keep the furnace operating. Limited location of the furnace to the proximity of extensive forest. Although the forest and farm offered employment to many workers, their ultimate prosperity depended upon the economy of the furnace. The need for an expanding labor force brought about employment and, to a large degree, equality for women, children, and people of color.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.